Hello, in this video I'm going to explain you how to create assignments from scratch or importing assignments from an available file, and then I will explain you how to edit assignments, for example adding prompts or deleting prompts, changing the due dates, etc., and then how to assign the homework to students. So first we have to log into the course, the webwork course, and you see in the homework set here this is empty now. Now first let's see how to create a new assignment. Now we go to homework set editor and you click on create and name of the new set, for example homework 1. And take action. You see now homework 1 is created without any prompts there. Note that there shouldn't be any white space in the name of the set, so you can use underscore if you want to separate different words. Now to add prompts to this homework set, you can go to the library browser and choose this target set, the homework 1. Now if you have local prompts, for example the prompt set from the book, you can click on the local prompts. You can choose the open prompt library. This is an online library, so this is the one I am choosing now. Let's choose it, for example the calculus single variables and chapter about limits and like limit rules. And now I'm showing all the prompts, right? View prompts. It takes a while. Okay, now for example I'm adding the first 3 prompts by clicking on the add. You see these prompts are in the target set now. That's it, and then we go back to the homework set editor and you will see 3 prompts already added into this homework set. Okay. So this is how we create homework sets from scratch. Now I'm explaining how to import homework sets from available files. First you go to File Manager and choose to upload the definition files, the homework sets. Here I already have all the assignments for Canvas 1, so let me just upload some of them. Unfortunately we have to upload one assignment at a time. We cannot do it at once. So click on upload. So you see the files already uploaded. Now we have, let me just upload another one and one more. Okay, so we have 3 homework sets here. For the calculus classes, we also have to upload the local library for the book of Rawoski. So this file is available on our website too. Let's go back to webwork. This is the file you have to upload as well. You can click on upload. This is a library of the prompts from the book, from the textbook. If you want to see what is inside this file, you can click on this, double click, and then for example chapter 1 and 1.6. okay, you see all these files. Now we go back to homework sets editor and click on import. You can choose to import a single set, or you can choose to import a multiple set. For example here I'm going to import all these 3 homework sets. You can click on one and then hold down the shift key and click the last one and click on text action. Okay, so this shows you how to import homework assignments from an available file. So you see the 3 homework assignments already created or imported here. So the first one has 14 prompts, second one has 16, and then 17 prompts for the third one. Okay, so that's all about creating and importing assignments. Now, after having assignment created, we may have to edit them. For example, here, to edit the first homework prompt, the homework one, right? Let's click on either on here to choose the open date, the close date, and then answer date. Or you can also go back to the homework set editor and choose, click on the number 3, the prompts. Now you can change the open days, close days, answers available. You can also change the number of attempts students can do or can use. For example, in my classes, I usually choose 5, so choose 5. You can also delete one prompt. For example, I choose to delete the second prompt here. If you choose this prompt to delete, then you should click on the first prompts to be numbered consecutively from 1, and then click on Save Changes. Now there's only 2 prompts left. So if you go to the homework set, you will see these 2 prompts. Okay, see 1, and then click on the next prompt. You see there are only 2 prompts left. Sometimes if you don't want to assign many homework prompts, homework assignments, but you want to combine, for example, 2 assignments into one single one. For example, if you want to combine only 3 assignments in one single set, and you can do it like this. If you want to create a new name, so you can create like homework chapter 1. Make sure to use underscore if you don't want if you want to separate the course. And then you can choose a duplicate of the first selected set. So we're starting from the first set and take action. So here the homework set, homework chapter 1 is exactly the same as the first homework assignment. Now to add the prompts from the second and the third homework sets to this set, we go back to library browser and then choose the target set, the homework chapter 1, and then from the definition files, because we already have those files here. So choose this second set. You can choose all and view prompts. After viewing all the prompts here, now you can add all if you want to add all of the prompts. Of course, you can add each prompts at a time too if you want. And then choose another set and then view all, and then just add all if you want to add all of them. Okay, and that's it. And now we go back to homework sets editor. Now the homework chapter 1 has 47 prompts, which are all the prompts from the 3 assignments, right? Now let's see how it looks after adding them to here. Even though in my assignments I put maximum attempts of 5, but when you add the new prompts, and it changes to the default number is unlimited. So if you want to put them back to 5, you have to do it manually. Okay. Okay, let's continue like that. Okay. Of course, if you want to delete again some prompts, you decide not to keep those prompts, you can delete them, and then again click on force prompts to be numbered consecutively from 1 and click on save changes, and you'll see some prompts have been deleted, right? So now it's 43. Okay. The next step is to assign homeworks to students. So we have homework sets here, and here on this column you see assigned users. Now click on, for example, if you want to assign the first homework here, click on this, and then choose assign to all current users. Okay, and click on save, and that's it. Now you go back to homework sets editor, you see this assignment has been assigned to all the students, okay, or including yourself or myself. Okay, that's it for assigning students. Now sometimes if you want to change the due date for one particular student, because for example there's some reasons that he or she cannot finish the assignments on time, then click on edit, and then for example if you want to change the assignment due date for this student, click on edit data for him or her, and then you can change the open close date or answer date here, or you can change the number of attempts for them from 5 to 6 and so on. And then after that you click on save changes, and that's all. That's all good to go. So in this video I have shown you how to create assignments, how to import assignments from available sets, how to edit assignments, how to assign students. Thanks for watching.